Hey, this is Photography Bonsai and Tech I Suppose. Today I'm taking a look at this Syncwire 9.8 foot or 3 meter premium audio extension cable. I want to use this for extending a microphone. I'm going to try it out. I have a bunch of potential sources of interference and also a few different microphones. A few of the specifications, they claim it has hi-fi quality sound, 24K gold plated connectors. It's relatively thin, has braiding on it. You hear that braiding sound. It's a rubber thing to keep it aligned when you want to put it away. I'm not sure if this is metal or plastic, it's hard to tell. You got their name on it again, and you've got the male connector. So with the type of braiding and everything, it's supposed to make it less likely to get tangled. I think that might be the case. I'm going to connect this microphone to me. Test 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. See if the computer causes any type of interference. Test 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. Alright, here is the bad cable. Test 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Turning out the computer to see if that makes any interference. Test 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Of course, you don't have to use these just for recording audio, you can use them for listening to audio. You want some type of headset, obviously, to extend. So far, so good with this Syncwire extension cable for microphones, headsets, whatever you want to do audio-wise. 3.5 millimeters, super standard. The connectors feel good. The cable itself is relatively thin, which can be nice. But yeah, Scott at Photography Bonsai and Tech I Suppose. Hope you enjoyed this video on the Syncwire extension cable for 3.5 millimeter audio. Thanks.